Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best heater hose is probably one of the most crucial accessories for your big buddy heater, ensuring a safe and efficient propane supply. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of heater hoses, exploring everything from the different types available to the essential safety considerations you need to keep in mind. We'll cover how to properly connect your heater hose to a propane tank, and what to look for when choosing the right one for your needs. Number 5. Mr. Heater Buddy Series Hose Assembly, 10 feet F273704. This is the Mr. Heater Buddy Series Hose Assembly. It's designed for use with the MH9B Portable Buddy and MH18B Big Buddy heaters. This hose assembly ensures a secure and reliable connection. The 10-foot length provides flexibility and convenience. It eliminates the need for a fuel filter, making setup easier. Both ends of the hose tighten securely, preventing leaks. The POL connection attaches directly to your propane tank, providing a safe and stable fuel supply. The hose is built to last and does not leach oil into the fuel stream. This ensures the longevity and performance of your heating system. It measures approximately 3 by 9 to 7/8 by 11 inches. This product also comes with a 1-year limited warranty, offering peace of mind. What we like. This hose offers a generous 10-foot length, giving you flexibility in your setup. It features secure connections at both ends, ensuring safety. If you need a reliable and straightforward connection for your Mr. Heater Buddy heater, this is a great choice. What people say. The 10-foot length of this hose is just right for giving you the flexibility to position your propane tank at a safe distance from the heater. The hose is well made, with durable materials that feel built to last. One of the great features of this hose is that it doesn't require a filter when used with a bulk tank. Number 4. Mr. Heater Big Buddy Hose with Regulator. This is a propane hose assembly designed for the Mr. Heater Big Buddy Indoor-Outdoor Heater. It ensures a safe and reliable connection for your heating needs. This hose is built to last and provide consistent performance. The hose features solid brass fittings, ensuring durability and a secure connection. These fittings are designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. They provide a reliable seal to prevent leaks. The POL connection connects directly to a 20-pound propane tank. This allows for easy and secure attachment to your propane source. It's a straightforward setup for quick and convenient use. The regulator reduces high pressure from larger propane tanks. It converts the high pressure to a low pressure suitable for the heater. This ensures the heater operates safely and efficiently. It includes a hand wheel for easy tightening. The female connector fits any standard 3/8-inch male SAE fitting. This makes it simple to connect and disconnect. The hose is 12 feet long, providing ample reach. It also comes with a 1-year warranty. This offers peace of mind and assurance of quality. What we like. This hose includes a built-in regulator, which is essential for safety and performance. The solid brass fittings ensure a secure and leak-proof connection. If you are looking for a complete solution with a regulator for your Big Buddy heater, this is the one to consider. What people say. It has a quick disconnect on one end to connect easily to the Big Buddy heater. The 12-foot hose is long enough generally to place the bottle outside with the hose through a small opening in a window or door. This quick connect hose works perfectly to attach a 20-gallon propane tank to a Mr. Heater Big Buddy heater. Number 3. Alloxity 8-foot propane hose adapter 1 pound to 20 pounds. This adapter is designed to work with a wide range of appliances. It's perfect for Weber Q grills, Coleman stoves, Blackstone griddles, and Buddy heaters. It allows you to connect most 1-pound appliances to larger propane tanks. Stop wasting money on small, disposable propane bottles. This adapter lets you connect to a 20-pound tank, saving you up to $100. It's a cost-effective solution for all your outdoor activities. The heavy-duty brass fittings ensure a secure, leak-free connection. The hose is made with weather-resistant materials, built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. This ensures safety and reliability. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no tools. Simply hand-tighten the brass connectors, and you're ready to go. The 8-foot length provides flexibility and safety when setting up your appliances. This product is rigorously tested and CSA certified for your safety and peace of mind. We are committed to providing high-quality, durable products. If you have any issues, please contact us. What we like. This adapter is known for its wide compatibility, working with various grills and heaters. It helps you save money by allowing you to use larger propane tanks. If you're looking to save money and reduce waste, this adapter is a smart investment. What people say. Works perfectly and appears to be a quality item. Super easy to install. It's screwed into both the tank and the grill without any trouble. The hose installs easily and works as advertised. Number 2. Alloxity 12-foot propane hose adapter. This adapter is designed to work with a wide range of appliances. It fits perfectly with Weber Q grills, Coleman camping stoves, Blackstone griddles, and Buddy heaters. It allows you to connect most 1-pound outdoor appliances to larger propane tanks. The adapter is a great way to save money. By using a 20-pound tank, you can avoid the cost of smaller, disposable bottles. This setup helps minimize expenses and reduces waste. The hose is built to last with a 4-layer structure. It includes stainless steel braiding to protect against damage. The weather-resistant materials ensure it can withstand tough outdoor conditions. Installation is quick and easy, taking less than 2 minutes. The heavy-duty brass fittings are designed for a secure connection. The 12-foot length provides flexibility in setting up your appliances and tank. The product is rigorously tested and CSA certified for safety and performance. The company is committed to providing high-quality and durable products. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact them. What we like. This adapter is also known for its wide compatibility, working with various grills and heaters. It also helps you save money by allowing you to use larger propane tanks. If you are looking for a more durable and safer connection, this adapter is a great choice. What people say. Adapter hose works great. No leaks, good fitment. After 18 months of use, I am very happy with the product. There is no evidence of damage or wear and tear. It is very flexible and a little bit longer than I really needed. Connection to the 20-pound tank was easy and it fits perfect on the grill or other device that normally uses a 1-pound tank. Really like the 5 feet, stainless steel braided hose. Just the right size for most applications. No leaks found and should last. Number 1. GASPOWOR 12-foot propane adapter hose. This 12-foot hose makes setup a breeze. You don't need any tools, just hand tighten the brass connectors. In about a minute, you'll be ready to go. Make sure your appliance is compatible with a CGA 600 connector before you start. This adapter hose is designed to connect your 1-pound appliances to larger propane tanks. It works with various heaters, grills, and stoves. It's perfect for camping, tailgating, or grilling outdoors. Reduce waste with this adapter. By using a larger propane tank, you can cut down on disposable bottles. It's a simple way to help the environment and reuse your propane containers. The hose features solid brass fittings for a tight seal. It's built with a high-pressure, 3-layer design that can handle tough conditions. This makes it ideal for outdoor use. This propane adapter is CSA certified and made with quality materials. It's designed for safety and durability. If you have any issues, our support team is here to help. What we like. This adapter is easy to install, getting you set up in minutes. It is also versatile, working with a variety of appliances. If you want to reduce waste and contribute to a greener planet, this adapter is a great choice. What people say. This hose and a filter got me up and running. The hose seems of good quality and the threads are tight without any propane leaking. Connected my 20-pound tank to my camping griddle where a 1-pound tank normally would connect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.